This is a family activity. Kids are being assisted and supervised by their parents.
Days later, the banana wine will be transferred to the second fermenter. Prepare the improvised fermenters. Sterilize the butter fermenter and all the materials needed. Close so that oxygen cannot enter the butter. Balloon can also be used to cover the bottle so that oxygen cannot enter, but carbon dioxide released from the bottle will be stored in it. Fermentation will continue inside the bottle. The cloudy and bottom part with yeast will be separated and fermented as vinegar. Remaining juice are extracted. Remains of bananas will be added to our compost. The juice extracted will now be fermented as vinegar. Wine fermentation is in process. Hours later, the balloon stands up. There's already carbon dioxide in it. 1 day later, the balloon expanded. It gets bigger due to carbon dioxide in it coming from the bottle. One week later, the fermented wine will now be transferred and sealed to its container bottle and will be stocked. The longer the wine in the bottle, the clearer and the better taste it will have. Sterilize the butter fermenter and all the materials needed. Remove the bubbler and the balloon and replace it with its cap. Be sure to seal it tightly.
Only one wine bottle available. Transfer the content of the fermenter to the wine bottle and be sure to seal it tight. The wine will be stuck. The longer the wine in the bottle, the clearer and better taste it will have.
Please support our channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.